Hi, it's Michelle Einstein Songbird. I finally understand the phrase, when I fall in love, and I'll share my understanding now. It begins with the Virgin, Josh Groban, who sang, I believe when I fall in love, it will be forever. The message inside that sentence, when the penis, first ejaculates in pussy, it will be for feelings offered her, Eve, E-V-E, my wife, once my sister in heaven, and my mother on earth, Mary Magdalene, because he's Jesus Christ, pleasuring, seeing, true. When he has sex, it will be with the energy that was his sister in heaven, his mother on earth, now his wife on earth, or eternity. And that is perfect loving by Jesus Christ. Josh Groban. Jesus Christ. How does it start? And that is why the love between Jesus Christ, Josh Groban, and Mary Magdalene, Michelle Einstein Songbirdsong, is the foundation for eternity, because their love will last for eternity. And that's it. Okay, we have eternity because we have two people who love each other perfectly. So on.